Good morning, all. I'm Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning as we're sitting here on Friday. And this is the last day of February for the month, February 28th. I'm back from vacation, be here with you for a little bit. And we had today some important data come out. So why don't we just go right to that? You had the monthly personal income spending and PCE, and this was a flip-flop. Income went up 0.9 of a point. I don't recall that in recent times. So I'd have to go back and see when's the last time. They only expected it up 0.4, and people didn't spend. Month over month spending down 0.5%. The prior had been up 0.7, and they were expecting it up 0.1. As you drop down a little bit, you get to the core PCE, the market had figured it out properly that you'd get up to 0.3. The prior was up 0.1, and they expected up 0.3. And the PCE year over year index was up 2.6%. The prior was a bit hotter at 2.8, so you fell back to the 2.6. In a few minutes, we're going to get the Chicago PMI numbers. They're coming out, and they're looking for them a little bit hotter at 41 versus the 39.5. So while gone, what took place is the market that got hit the hardest, and it's still down, is the Russell. You're down in the NASDAQ. Tesla's been taking a beating. Obviously, all these firings are weighing around the world, by the way, on Tesla. And, you know, it's making Musk look like the evil Scrooge guy, and people aren't buying the cars right now. You don't have to believe me. Look at the numbers. They're there. You tried the upside today in the Dow. You're 200 points plus off the highs already. And what's getting hit hard are all the metal markets. Now, the question on everyone's mind, does President Trump go ahead on March 4th, which is Tuesday, with the 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada or not? And then we've got different layers of this taking place. So big questions there. Yesterday, there was a little bit of hope for the UK because apparently they came in with some deals for the president. I'm not up to date on it. I will get very quickly on that. You can see in the dollar, basically stable, not going anywhere. And, you know, the first thing I heard this morning is I got back 102 in the euro is what the traders are saying. I don't know. What's taken place here is the dollar fell back. Other currencies rallied, and they look fairly stable to me in some manners. What isn't stable are bonds and notes. We continue to sink away. I think it's the 7th week in a row that we've had lower mortgages, not by a lot, but they are slipping, and the key mortgage numbers are under the 7% level, so those are good things. And if you look at the grain markets, it's a little bit of everything. The wild card is always the wheat at this time of the year, but corn back off from near the 420 level to 480. Soybeans are down a little bit, and we're going to get some acreage numbers coming up soon, and those are going to be exceptionally important. I will catch up with you over the weekend as I start doing the monthly charts, well, actually the weekly charts, giving you a view as to what they're at for what the month of February looked like is what I was trying to say. I don't know that I'll get to it today. I want to catch up on a lot today. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll catch you over the weekend. You have a great trading day.